Alright, let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about getting your money into Wealthsimple. You've probably heard of Wealthsimple, right? That slick investing app promising to make you rich without breaking a sweat. But here's the burning question: can you actually wire money into it? Like, big bucks, straight from your bank to your Wealthsimple account? I mean, think about it. You've got a fat chunk of change sitting in your traditional bank account, earning peanuts in interest. You're eyeing that shiny new investment opportunity on Wealthsimple, but you're hesitant. You're wondering, can I just zip this money over like it's nothing? Well, grab your favorite beverage and get comfy, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Wealthsimple wire transfers. We'll break down everything you need to know. Can you do it? How does it work? Are there any catches? And most importantly, is it actually worth it? So, let's start with the basics. What is a wire transfer anyway? It's basically an electronic funds transfer that zips money from one bank account to another, usually in a matter of hours. It's like sending a digital money rocket. But can this rocket land on Wealthsimple's doorstep? The short answer is, it depends. Wealthsimple does indeed accept wire transfers, but there are a few things you need to know. First off, it's not your typical, breezy, instant money move. There are usually fees involved, and it can take a few business days for the funds to settle. So, it's not the quickest way to get your money into the game. But why would you even consider wiring money to Wealthsimple when you can link your bank account and transfer funds instantly? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you're dealing with a large sum of money and want to expedite the process. Or perhaps you prefer the security of a wire transfer. Whatever your reason, it's good to know your options. We'll also talk about the different types of Wealthsimple accounts and how wire transfers work for each one. Is it the same process for a TFSA as it is for a regular investment account? We'll figure that out together. And let's not forget about the fees. Every bank and financial institution has its own fee structure for wire transfers. We'll break down the potential costs so you can decide if it's worth it for you. But it's not all about the mechanics of wire transfers. We'll also discuss the pros and cons of using this method to fund your Wealthsimple account. Is it really the best option for you? We'll weigh the benefits against the drawbacks so you can make an informed decision. So, if you're ready to unravel the mystery of Wealthsimple wire transfers, stick around. We've got a lot to cover. And hey, while we're at it, let's talk about some alternative funding methods. Maybe there's a better way to get your money working for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.